today we are going to be doing the food challenge.
Yay! And the loser with less points has to eat this gross, little pack.
Yeah, it has some stuff in it.
Yeah.
And so this is how it works. We eat the same thing, but with our eyes closed, and we have to try to guess it. Our mom will be giving us the stuff, so we don't know what it is. And baby sister will be joining us.
Yeah.
So cute. Oh,
Okay.
so mom can do it. Close your eyes. Hope it's a good one.
Okay.
Okay.
See?
Ooh, it has a straw.
Okay. Think I know. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On the count of three, we both say what it is.
And we both open our eyes.
Yeah.
One, two,
three.
apple.
What? See? No, I know what it is. Wait. Lemon.
Oh, Tristan, this was yours.
Wait.
Apple. It wasn't lemon.
That means I get 2 points.
I get no point? Wait.
Okay, you get no points. I get 2 points.
Okay,
That tasted sour.
let's do it again.
Like lemon.
Yeah. Okay, Mom will do it again. Let's close our eyes.
Wait, are we doing juice box or other thing?
No, you can't know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's do it.
No peeking.
So I'll peek. It's our juice box.
Oh, yeah. See, straw's right here.
I think I know this one.
Yeah.
I definitely know this
Yep.
one. Yep, I know this one.
Wait, are you ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Grape!
Oh,
What?
you
No! I thought that was
tasted like
great. Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes.
I closed my eyes. Daisy knows what it is.
Yeah.
Is it here? Is it here? What?
Try it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
I think I know what it is.
Are you ready?
Okay. On the count of 3.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Cashew
Cashew bar!
Yay!
Yay! It's a cashew bar.
Yay!
All right, close
So-
your eyes.
You have
4 points and you have 2.
Yeah, I don't want to eat this gross thing.
I know either.
Ready?
Okay.
Where is it?
You don't
It's
have
right
it
here.
yet.
Oh.
Okay, drink that bar down with something.
Oh, tasty.
Okay, our juice box.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. 1,
2,
2, 3.
Lemon!
All right.
Yay!
Yay! I have 6. You have 4.
Yeah.
All right, close your eyes. All right.
I think
Are
I
you
know
ready?
what this is. Uh-huh.
1,
1, 2,
3.
3.
Chia pack!
Yay!
Okay,
So,
good.
wait, I have 8 points?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have 6.
Yes. Yay.
Now I know what this is.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
One,
One,
two,
2, 3.
apple!
Yay!
8 points for me.
10.
All right. All right. Ready? Close your eyes. Tris, will you open your eyes?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
I just promise. What's this? Alright, I think I know.
Don't peek.
I got pink.
I think I know.
Are you
ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Grape!
Because grape was the last flavor, I knew you guys would say it. So I threw you for
I thought you would do something like that, but I just didn't.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Wait. Push this up real quick.
I think I know what it is. Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1,
2,
2, 3.
Five
One bar.
All
Yay!
right, we're going to do one more drink and then this is done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how many points are you at, Kira?
I am. Oh my gosh.
10.
No, 12, because I just got that one right.
Oh, I'm at 10.
So I'm at. Yeah, she's at 10. I'm at 12.
Okay. This is your last drink. Close your eyes and don't peek.
It's okay, sweetie. It's okay, sweetie. Oh, she doesn't have any toys.
She will hold on to whoever gets this.
Chase.
Okay, girls, close your eyes real tight.
It will be so tight.
Last one. No peeking.
I think I know what it is.
Are you ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Apple!
I got 14. You got 10.
Tristan, open up your new squeeze.
Open up the
Squeeze.
squeeze.
Apple,
I'll get her
guava,
a new
kale,
toy.
strawberry, parsley, chia. I don't know why you don't think that's good.
It
You wanna hold
isn't.
this?
Let's get her a food. Well, a drink.
Oh, yeah, 2. Please trade purple for green.
All right.
No, I don't
Tris.
want to eat this.
What's
this?
Do it, Tris.
I don't want to eat this.
Open it up. Let's do it.
The whole thing?
Oh, no, but you need
Okay.
to drink it.
At least worth it.
No.
Go on, you pick it out.
Should have picked the orange one. Just one?
Well, yeah, that's good. Okay. Thank you guys for watching our video.